Hello, good morning. It's Wednesday the 17th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So data is following the same old trend at the moment. It's bad, but it could be much worse. Yesterday we saw 600,000 jobs were lost in the 3 months to May, and this could be the biggest jobs crisis in over 25 years. But with the furlough scheme covering more than 9 million workers, it could be much worse. But all that support can't go on forever, and Sunak will be in a much better position to provide more targeted and indeed longer term support once economic activity has returned. Roll on phase 3, and not just because of the pubs. Optimism of a Brexit trade deal saw sterling support continue yesterday. We touched 126.85 against the dollar before drifting back a little, and we open around 125.50 today. Powell's testimony to Congress gave a bit of a reality check to all the hype from the Trump administration. As you might have already guessed, the economy is far from off to the races, and the timing and indeed strength of the recovery is still rather uncertain. Indeed, the IMF chief economist was on yesterday, and he said the IMF is likely to revise its global activity forecast. That's due to the timing it will take to see anything close to pre-pandemic activity, and of course their concerns over the second spike in Beijing. But following some pretty encouraging retail sales data, we saw that grow over 12% in the US. Powell suggested that the data might be distorting the short-term view. He even suggested that non-farm payrolls might have been unhelpful by giving a false sense of security. To me, that sounds like a man who might have lost a pound in the sweepstake, but at least he was gracious in defeat. The Fed, of course, is committed to dealing in facts rather than feelings. So whilst all this data is providing that sense of optimism, Powell can only really sit back, go with the flow, and keep on promising support as and when that is necessary. Euro dollar reacted to a rising dollar yesterday, and we saw that cross drop to a low of 112.30 on the day. Right, that's it from me. Have a great day. I'll be back again tomorrow, and I look forward to delivering a brief for you then.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.